Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a referral code in the Meta Viewpoints app. First, open the Meta Viewpoints app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in with your Meta or Facebook account. Once the app opens, look at the bottom or top menu and go to your profile section. Depending on the version of the app you are using, the layout may look slightly different. In most versions of the app, you will see an option called Referrals, or invite friends either at the bottom menu, inside the profile section, or in the settings area of your account. Tap on that option. If your account is eligible for the referral program, you will see your personal referral code or a referral link on the screen. You can tap Copy Code or Copy Link to save it to your clipboard. After that, you can share it with your friends through messaging apps, email, or social media. When your friends join using your referral code or link, you may receive referral rewards depending on the current program rules in your region. Now, if you do not see the referrals or invite friends option in your app, do not worry. The referral feature is not available for every account. Meta usually enables this feature only in supported countries such as the United States and Canada. Your Meta or Facebook account must also meet the eligibility requirements. If the option is missing, you can try updating the app from your app store and checking again later. Sometimes Meta rolls out features gradually to users. Thanks for watching.